really been catching the vibe, but
Welcome to the Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so what's up YouTube? It's your boy DJ Lee. And we back with another video, blah blah blah, bang bang bang. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So first let me do a big thanks to Blake. Blake helped me put a body lift on my Durango. If you guys don't know, I drive a 2000 Dodge Durango. It is wrapped with a orange metallic, kind of changes colors to red, yellowish. So I got the exhaust did not too long ago. I will link that video in the description. I'm also gonna put in some clips of us installing the body lift.
Finding them old poles to get choked.
I mean, it was really easy, you know, so just read the instructions. Instructions was like 1942, but we figured it out. I really like it. Let me show y'all this. One of my coworkers said it looked like my truck skipped leg day. Good. Because I got these little tires on it. So, but we gonna get some new wheels real soon. So let me know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see something like some rips? You want to see some wides? Let me know. I'm in the market of some wheels. So let me know. What else? We're on the road to 500 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, and yeah, I'll give you guys like a nice little tour of it. Yeah, I wanted something different. Everybody got cat eyes, everybody got Tahoes, everybody got, you know, the normal Chevy gang, so I want it to be different. Not knocking those people. I like all those vehicles, to be honest with you. Hell, I want a cat out myself. So, yeah, windshield 35%. Side mirrors, side windows 35. I think this was factory tint with 5% on top, factory with 5 on the. Can't see nothing but me. Like I say, I got 2-inch all the way back, Super 10 muffler, 3-inch tip in the back. Anyway, she ain't no Lamborghini, but she mine. She paid for. I love her. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff coming to the bill on the channel. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, big shout out to Blake for helping me put on the body lift. I've had it on now for about about a month. The only problem I had was I had a hose bust on me, but that was because of the angle that it was on. And I mean, it was time for a new one anyway. So yeah, I think that's it.